Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install the latest version of Python. So let's get started. So just go to Google and search for download Python. You'll be getting the first link python.org. Just click that and here we'll be having the latest version of Python, which is the 3.12.0. This is the upgraded version. Just click on this and your download will be getting started. So it is about 25 MB in size, so it gets downloaded in a flash. Just open it and you'll be getting the Python setup over here. I want you to check both of these options. Okay, you need to also check this add python.exe to the path. If you don't do this, you'll be getting some errors when you run your Python program. So just check both these things and just click on this install now. Just click on yes and you'll be getting setup was successful. Just click on close. Now just go to search and type for environment variables. You'll be getting the edit the system environment variables. Just click on open and here you need to click on environment variables, and under user variables here you'll be having something called as path. Click that and click on edit. So you'll be having this two Python paths automatically added over here. So if you don't have this path, I would recommend you to add these paths. Okay, so now we are done. Just close everything. Let's just go to command prompt and we need to run the command python --version. So here you can see I'm getting Python 3.12.0, which means that we have successfully configured. And in case if you want to run any Python program immediately, what you can do is you can just go to search and type idle. You'll be getting this idle Python 3.12 app. Just click on open and here you need to go to file. You need to click on new file and this will give you an interface where you can run any Python program. So I'll just go with print hello. That's it. I'll just save this. You can save it anywhere, something, and for running this just click on run and I'll be getting the output over here. So in case if you want to run any Python code, you can do this without even having to install any other editor. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of programming videos and AI related videos. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.